We're going to
Boracay!
Paano ba at saan ba pwedeng kumuha ng murang swab test for tourists? Hey everybody, it's me again, Louie, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are now here at Henan Prime Beach Resort here in Boracay, and it's officially our first day here in the island. And we are loving the hotel so far, the service and the people. Oh my gosh, I've missed so much. So bago pa man tayo pumunta sa mga pagre-reminisce, let's get straight to the point of this vlog. If you're planning to go to Boracay, to Palawan, or anywhere in the Philippines na open na for travel or tourism, I'm pretty sure you're curious about this. Paano ba at saan ba pwedeng kumuha ng murang swab test for tourists? Okay, so if you're planning to do a domestic travel here in the Philippines for tourism, right at this very moment, I know that you can tap some travel agencies already to help you through with the whole process, of course without the hassle, and of course with a corresponding fee for that. Pag you're on a budget, I'm pretty sure that you will not mind doing it all by yourself. So in this particular trip, we booked everything all by ourselves, like me and my husband. So lahat ng sasabihin ko sa inyo, based on personal experience. So I made a list para mabigay ko sa inyo blow by blow every step na kailangan nyong malaman and hopefully to guide you through the whole process. So in case you're wondering kung pwede na ba ang saliva test dito sa Boracay or dito sa Aklan, as of today, it is not yet honored by the municipality of Malay Aklan. So the nose and throat tests pa rin ang golden rule sa kanila. Clear tayo dyan. Okay, step number 1. Go to www.tpb.gov.ph/RT-PCR travel, and there you will see two options to have your test done at either UPPGH or PCMC or the Philippine Children's Medical Center. So after choosing the testing center that you intend to have your test done, either UPPGH or PCMC, 5 days before your travel departure, you should register and fill out the form doon sa website na yon. And then, they will ask for 2 valid IDs, round-trip ticket, and then confirmed hotel booking. Now, pro tip, make a file or an album of these documents already in your mobile phone for easy access because you will have to input more of these in the next few steps. Now, here's another information. Every passenger or every person na kasama sa trip ninyo needs to have their own email. Kahit si 2-year-old baby, kahit si 4-year-old baby, kailangan may sariling email para doon papasok lahat ng thread. And once you're done registering and filling out the form, you may submit already. An email will be sent to you upon successful registration. Email pa lang yun for registration, guys. Now, upon approval of your registration, you will receive another email from TPB stating that they will send your application to your desired testing center 3 days before your departure. On the third email, dapat mag-email na sa'yo ang napili mong testing center, either UPPGH or PCMC for your schedule. In our case, our test was scheduled and was set 2 days prior our travel departure. Now let's talk about the fee. PCMC RT-PCR costs 750 pesos and it's located at Agham Road, Diliman, Quezon City. While UPPGH RT-PCR costs 900 pesos and it's located at Padre Faura, Ermita, Manila. Now that you have scheduled your test, it's now time for step 2. Go to your designated testing center. So we went to PCMC because that's our chosen testing center. So ako, si Stan, and si Ellie got ourselves tested. Ellie is already 4 years old, so required na siyang mag-RT-PCR. But Sanya is 2.5 years old, and as per confirming with Aklan or the Aklan Tourism Board, if I'm not mistaken, as long as she hasn't reached 3 years old, nagfo-fall pa rin siya sa 2-year-old category. So, no need for testing for Sanya. So, the result came out a day after via our individual email, which means 1 day na lang before your departure date. So, actually, we were expecting na lalabas yung result the next day morning. But apparently, lumabas siya ng 4 p.m. So, medyo kinabahan pa kami doon because we need to file everything pa to get our personal QR codes. But thankfully, lumabas siya just in time. Now, upon receiving the email of your result from PCMC, now it's time for step 3. Get your QR code. Now it's time to go to www.touristboracay.com and then click the Boracay icon there and then fill out the health declaration card. Then submit. Now, after filling out the form, may matatanggap ka within that page that your health declaration card is successfully submitted. Guys, successfully submitted pa lang yun. It's not yet your QR code and it's not yet your official health declaration card. So, you have to screenshot that page and put it in your album kasi kakailanganin nyo na yan all throughout the trip. Now, for your QR code, you will need to send the following documents at touristboracay@gmail.com to get your own personal QR code. Number 1, screenshot of confirmation page, the one that we're talking about earlier. Then number 2, negative RT-PCR result. Number 3, confirmed booking form. Number 4, proof of identification with Philippine residency, meaning your valid IDs, guys, or government IDs, whatever you have. And then number 5, round trip, flight, and travel details. Sa personal experience namin, after submitting everything, nag-email back sila within the days. So, madaling-madali lang, diba? And that's about it, you guys. Sana nakatulong ako and hopefully I was able to guide you in planning your next trip to Boracay, to Palawan, or anywhere in the Philippines that's already open for tourism. And guys, if I may say, ngayon tayo kailangan ng ating mga kababayan. And if you have the means, now is the perfect time to visit these wonderful places back again. And as per usual, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you're always notified whenever I have new videos up on the channel. And I'll see you guys next week for more of our Boracay escapades. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye!